You probably use your Ford SuperDuty for a lot of different things.
And if there was something that you can do to make it a more exciting driving experience, PedalMAX by JMS is made to do just that.
PedalMAX is the industry's first solution to delayed throttle response in newer trucks caused by electronically controlled throttle bodies.
Because PedalMAX is a plug-and-play product, PedalMAX can make your truck more exciting to drive
and give it some extra ponies in just minutes. Start your installation by disconnecting the negative battery terminal.
Plug PedalMAX between the accelerator pedal and the harness.
Reconnect your negative battery terminal, and you're finished. Anyone who drives a stock truck from the factory knows you press on the pedal and you gotta wait for it to kick in. When I switched it from 0 to 100, it went from driving something boring, like a work truck, to driving something fun. I'm taking this thing around some mountain roads right now, and on exit, this thing's got all the juice. Thanks to PedalMAX, your Ford SuperDuty has a faster throttle response and a more comfortable ride.